Next problem, we will move on to regular hexagon ABCDEF of side 20 mm has its side DE on the wall. The plane is parallel to the floor. So we will solve this problem. Units, millimeter. Okay. Next, limits 297, 210. Next, zoom on. Now, hexagon we have to draw. We have to click on polygon. So it is asking number of sides. So 6 sides. Enter. Now we have to specify using edges. So click here. So how much? 20 mm edge. Enter. Now hexagon is over. Now reference line, XY line. Now projection of lines. So before projection of lines, we'll name the marking. Text. Height 3 mm, rotation 0. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Because here in the question, regular hexagon ABCDEF side 20 mm has its side DE on the wall and the plane is parallel to the floor. So side DE is on the wall. So it is given on the wall. So here side DE should be on the wall. That means this reference line should be on DE. Delete line. Reference line on the wall. So it is on the wall. So there is no gap. Now projection lines from C to, so in front of the wall the distance is not given. So we can draw on this or away from this. We can draw straight vertical lines. These are projection lines. Now object snap up, or I will draw one line and I will trim it. So this is the top view. This is front view. This is top view. And now marking of the points. So text. Starting point, height 3 mm. Text rotation 0 degrees. So this point will be C dash, C dash, and this point will be B, B and inside bracket D dash because it is hidden. Next, this point is A is visible and E is hidden. So inside the bracket, and the next point, and this point is F dash. So this is the top view. So this is the top view. Sorry, this is the front view. This is the top view. So always top view will be below XY line in the first angle projection. Front view will be above XY line. So reference line X and Y. Now dimensioning. It is not visible. Again, dim style. Dim style. Modify. Precision 0. Symbol 3 mm. Text height 3 mm. Okay. Set current. Close. So this is 20 mm. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for listening. If you feel this video will be helpful to your friends, please share it. Thank you.